Never cleaned an Alcantara steering wheel. Wow, is that like one gnarly gray hair just sprouting up there? Bing! Anyway, I haven't cleaned an Alcantara steering wheel before, other than dry ice blasting, which took forever. So I'm trying a product in a horsehair brush, and let's see what we can do. Okay, check out this before. That's like matted down Alcantara with sweat, dry skin, all that disgusting stuff. So see at the bottom, there's kind of some frayed fibers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this product that I've had in the cabinet for a little bit, and this harder bristle brush, that's going to kind of help me with those frayed fibers at the bottom. Now I'm going to grab this horsehair toothbrush looking thing. I get this from detailedimage.com. If you've been watching my videos, you're probably aware that I like to get a lot of my detailing stuff from that company. So if you are a detailer and you do not have a wholesale account with ordering products, I would definitely say reach out to me. I'll give you my link, so then you're not sitting there paying full price for detailing products. So now I'm taking the product, I'm spraying it on the wheel so it can sit and soak in. I want it to get, in there. And then I'm just going to take my horsehair brush and lightly scrub. And I repeated this process, I'd say maybe 5 or 6 times. The first time I sprayed it, the stuff soaked in there like pretty quickly. So that's why I kind of wanted it to let it sit in there. So I scrubbed, then I kind of like just gripped on the steering wheel with that microfiber so it would soak into the microfiber. Yes, I had to go through a couple microfibers because it was disgusting and I didn't want the same old crud soaking in there. Earlier in this video, I did mention that I've done some dry ice blasting. Yes, got a dry ice blaster, spent a whole bunch of money on an air compressor, tried it out. It was not very smart of me to do that because I didn't have a market for doing dry ice blasting. People weren't banging down my door trying to get me to do some dry ice blasting, so it just like wasn't really a good return on the investment. And also, if you notice in a lot of those videos, they do fast forward through it because it does take a long time. Definitely not saying there's not a good market for it, but I just wasn't for me. Anyway, check out the after. Now this looks and feels amazing. Super stoked about it. This is actually our personal Porsche, and yeah, I am very happy with the results. I'm not going to sit there and like try this out as an experiment on a customers unless they really wanted me to, but now I can provide this service and tell them how great it'll turn out. So if you like this video, if you have any ideas for another video, please leave it in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.